Hello, everybody. Welcome back.
Welcome back to what?
Here are the instructions for this game.
What are the instructions?
I don't know. They haven't queued the prompt.
Where are the instructions?
So we're on our bellies on these contraptions that move, and we have to turn around this way and get some balls.
Get some what?
You heard me.
My balls?
No, up there. Oh. Those balls.
Oh.
With this. So, left real.
What are we supposed to be doing?
We're going to move up and get the balls from up there.
Then somebody's not supposed to push and pull and...
No, I think we should do it ourselves. So come, turn around. Come now, put your machine on yourself. Ready? Wait, come. Line up, come back.
So
to the finish line. So then we're going to see who can get the most balls in how much time, Unique? How much? Wait, left wheel, come back with your teeth himself now. Ready? On the mark, pull the clock, go. One at a time.
What do you mean one at a time?
One at a time, she said.
Let me not get it and do what we do after you get it.
Roll it back and put it down.
So?
Oh, all the way back, you have to move back.
What?
What she said? What she said? Wait, but then you have to wait. But that one that you should back there. You have to put back it. Wait. You have to put back those. Put back those up there.
Something right with this.
Yeah.
Let me think there, thing there.
I don't have your ball.
No, I have my ball, but you're trying to hold on to my ball.
But you have to put back those over there. Because it's teeth. Okay, go on now. So where they must go back, Unique? Where they must go back to? Go on back. So yeah, man. Really? Wait, but the little runs then do count. I can't get them out. No. No! That's not a part. This is not it. That's not a part of the game. No, you're treating. You're treating. And it's throwing balls back up here. No, what? Davis, that's not how the game play. Where is my something? Where's my Congo? Ow, left wheel. Have to be careful. I have a ganglion on my. This is not a part. This is about to get very bad. Oh my God. This is about to get very bad. Okay. See? This is not a part of the game. Also, stoning me with the balls was never discussed. I'm getting this way now. They're for real.
Well, I mean, this is it.
I can't move. No. No, wait. Oh, we ain't this morning, man. Is that different still doing it? Ow! Can we wrap this segment or what? We're finished. So this is right about done. Listen.